Hi, so we're just gonna go over how we add a white wax over this gray wood heart. You can use this technique with any wood product for the most part. So I dipped it in and then I'm kind of rubbing it off so it's not overloaded on my paintbrush. So there it's kind of lightly loaded, and we're just gonna follow the green of the wood. As you can see, most of this has already been done, but you can just add in layers. I'm gonna actually go in a circle motion here just because I wanna make sure that I'm kind of getting more of the top green of the wood to kind of show through. Super easy. Now on something like this, depending on how you're gonna use your wood product, you might wanna seal it with, say, a polyacrylic spray, but this is not gonna be for food use or anything. It's just decorative. And it's just really that simple. You can just keep adding it in layers to add as much white as you want. If you do happen to get a lot of white on your product and you're not happy with it, you can use a clear wax to take it off, but you will be limited on how much you can take off. However, if you start with a clear wax first and then a white wax, you'll have a lot more flexibility. It kind of just adds a sealer to it. So the clear wax acts as a sealer. Then you do the white wax, and let's just say you don't want so much white wax on. When you do the clear wax again and you wipe it off, it comes off easier. But if you don't have that base, that clear wax base, it can be a little bit more difficult. So when you're doing your wood products, just kind of keep in mind what you're gonna be using it for and the look that you want with your white wax. So it's that easy. This is Dixie Belle white wax. Any brand will do. You can actually make your own homemade white wax as well. And that's mixing white paint into clear wax, mixing it around really well. And that's as simple as it is.